Hello, I am Andy Hawbaker. I'm a licensed realtor in Northern Colorado with Coldwell Banker Realty, and I want to talk about what is going on with the real estate market in both Larimer County and Weld County. That's kind of what I consider Northern Colorado. So I service both areas from Greeley to Fort Collins, Loveland, Windsor, everything in between. And so I watch a lot with what's going on with the market. Hear a lot of things about the national headlines saying the market's bad and home prices are going down. It's really not what we're seeing. We're seeing a little bit of that. Some of it's some seasonality. But don't believe what you're hearing in the headlines. And the best way to go about that is to look at the real data. So I'm filming this in January 2023. Happy New Year 23. And let's go over the latest data that's available to us, which is the December 2022 information. So I'm going to dive in and just show you these three slides, and we'll talk about it in the end, what this means for you. So 840 homes are for sale currently in Larimer County, 947 in Weld County. Both of those are a huge increase over the previous year. The median sales price in Larimer County is $534,000, and that's a 6.9% above the previous year. And in Weld County, $466,000, that's a 1.4%. So as you can see, prices haven't gone down year over year. So that's really good, positive information to know about Northern Colorado. Okay, and then the month supply, 1.7 months in Larimer County, 1.8 in Weld County. That's a huge, over 200% increase from the previous year. And what that means is, as you can see, more homes are coming onto the market. They're not selling as quickly as they were in the wild frenzy of 2020 and 2021 and early 2022. So we just don't have that frenzy. But they're still relatively low, historically low inventory. So 1.7, 1.8 months means less than 2 months. So there's enough transactions happening now and so few homes on the market that under 2 months, all homes, if no new homes came out on the market, all homes would be sold within 1.7, 1.8 months. So that's actually very low. 5 to 6 months of inventory is considered a balanced market. So that's telling us that the market's still pretty hot. There's just really nothing available. And there are some buyers sitting on the sidelines who I think will get kind of excited to get back on their home search again this spring. So if you are a home buyer, there's lots of things going on. Your situations are always different. So I'd like to talk to you. You can always reach out to me at my website, which is andyhawbaker.com. We can sit down and chat about your current situation. And if you're a home seller, kind of same thing. It's a good time to sell. As you can see, the prices year over year still are up from last year. So we lost some of the appreciation, maybe a little bit, just because it was such a skyrocketed appreciation all of 2022. But you've made money. If you've lived in your house for 3 years, you've made a lot of money on your home. So you can still take advantage of that. But again, let's sit down and talk about that. Again, my name is Andy Hawbaker. I'm a licensed realtor with Coldwell Banker Realty in Northern Colorado. And you can always reach me through my website, which is andyhawbaker.com.